Guys, hope you guys are all doing well. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I installed this needle twist unit. Some people prefer to call it 1 million twist. This unit was made by yours truly, and if you'd like to purchase any of my units, check out my website www.amysglamroom.com. I'm going to leave my website somewhere here. This is what the unit looks like inside. This is the back. It has a wig comb, adjustable straps, and extra adjustable straps added by me. So basically today I'm going to lay my baby hairs and all that good stuff. I actually struggle a bit when it comes to doing baby hairs and just laying lace fronts in general, but we're going to see how this goes. I watched a ton of IG videos and YouTube videos just to come and film this, so let's see the final results. So I believe the video explains itself. Basically I'm using alcohol swabs to wipe down, and I'll be going in with this my hair, I can't remember the name of this hair gel or hair glue. I'm going to leave the name on the screen somewhere for you guys to see, but I've had it for quite a while now, and I think this one is called the active bold hold active lace glue, something like that. So right now I'm just blending it out, and I'm going to let it dry clearly, or dry clear. Please forgive the noises in the background, especially this cock crowing. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but my neighbor owns the cock, and once it's 4:30 a.m. the cock keeps going off and off and off till about 9 a.m. Right now I have a natural alarm clock. I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the video, and I'll be right back. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it looked to me like this thing dried clear. Then all of a sudden, I don't know where all these white residues came out from. So please, if you know what I think I did wrong, let me know. Maybe I didn't wait for it to dry well enough, but I could have sworn that it was dry. Then all of a sudden, from nowhere, I'm seeing white residues all over. But when you're doing yours, try your best to let it dry properly, or maybe just one layer of the glue would be enough. But I see people doing 2-3 layers. Well, I guess I have to practice more to get it right. Right now I'm just cutting off the baby hairs as best as I know how to do it. Hopefully I don't destroy this unit, but so far I think I did a great job. Yeah. Hey God, I decided to try the whole straightener thing I see on Instagram, but the fear of burning my skin did not let me continue. And besides, I think my straightener is a bit too big for the baby hairs, or maybe I should have done the straightening before trying to before cutting them. This is one side of my laid edges. I'm going to try to do the other one on camera. It's not even easy doing it on my own, talk more of trying to film it, but I'm going to try my best, Sha. And I guess with time I'm going to get better at it, and I'll be a pro. Normally, because I intend to still sell this unit, if I decide to keep this unit for myself, I'm going to reduce the baby hairs a lot. I really like minimal baby hairs, but like I said, I intend to sell this unit. So this is the final look. I think I did a great job. What do you guys think? Please don't forget to check out my website. I'm going to leave the website on the screen. Check me out on IG, Facebook, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, and until next time, stay safe.